What is up, YouTube? And today we got the items, and they are, with the hype around the Nike Dunks and the Nike Dunk Lows. Not SB Dunk, but this dunk is one of my favorite pairs to have come out in the recent months, to be honest. They did not make my size in the shoe. I would need about a 12.5, 13 women's, maybe a 13.5 for a Nike Dunk to fit my size conversion wise. I am an 11 men's, so these are both 8 women's. I will not be able to fit them. They are a great shoe. So I'm gonna go ahead without talking too much and show you. But before I can get into it, please hit that subscribe button down below, hit the like button, and share it with a friend. It helps me out, helps the YouTube algorithm out, and I appreciate you always. Let's get right to it. Right off the bat, as you can see, we got 2 red and white Nike boxes, the classic ones now. And here, my friends, is the item. The item. Let me get them all out and we'll talk about them. All right, so as you can see, it is that low coast Nike Dunk Low. Oh my gosh, man. Please, Nike, why didn't you make these in my size? But as you know, a lot of people are mistaken. These are not for UNC, the Tar Heels. They are for UCLA, the Bruins on the West Coast. Hence why the shoe is called Low Coast Women's Dunk. But you do have that similar blue, and many people will want the shoe because they think it's the UNC Dunk, and that's okay. So we'll talk about aftermarket values in just a few minutes, but stay tuned to see the rest of that as well. This shoe features a nice Carolina blue, UCLA blue, and white upper with a nice hint or two of yellow. So matching that UCLA colorway, got the yellow Nike Air on the tongue, that Nike hit on the back of the shoe, and then on the insole you have that bright yellow insole. On the bottom of the shoe you have a nice blue outsole, and it's not like a white, but it's kind of, in my opinion, a creamish right here along the midsole, which is really nice touch. But these are high quality shoes. These are high quality shoes. Don't let anybody tell you different. I'm gonna tell you that right now. My favorite part about them personally would have to be just the colorway. Like I said, I am a Tar Heels fan. It pays respect to UCLA in the right way, but as a Carolina fan, we know whose colors these are. We know. These shoes are definitely one that I would say grab right now, especially if you wanted to add them to your collection. If you are a lady watching, or if you wear a size 10.5 men's, you would be in luck. You could fit these. So they make up to a 12 women's, and that is, like I said, a 10.5 men's. So you would be able to have the conversion size to fit these shoes. Grab them now. They will go up. I'm debating if I want to hold or sell myself, but now let's talk about it. At the current time of filming this, these shoes are going for about $300 to $400 resale range on the aftermarket right now. Now that, again, is the time of filming this, but I think the shoe's undervalued, to be honest. The colorway itself, the hype behind it on release day, I mean, they were sitting at about $400, $450 on release day. So I hit my pairs off of the sneakers app. Shout out to the Nike sneakers app. Much love to you. Y'all been blessing me lately. Appreciate you all. And man, grab these now. At the time of filming this, again, they're going for about $300 to $320 in this size. They are fluctuating a little bit, just people getting their pairs shipped in. As we all know, once the pairs come in, the prices go down. Just because people don't either want them, they just got lucky on a raffle, they just want to move them, get some quick money, or, they just don't know what they have, to be honest. So the StockX market and prices are what I'm reflecting right now, but they are about $320 in this size. These do come with that nice new Nike QR code tag on the inside, just to help prevent the fakes. But this is a very beautiful shoe in my opinion. I will grab it now before we see these hit potentially $500 in the near 6 months to a year, in my opinion. It is a good summer shoe as well. So summer coming around the corner. A lot of women who are getting into shoes, or they were like, hey, let me start building my collection back up. This is one I see them going after, and that's just my opinion. But like I said, make sure y'all grab this shoe. Comment down below too, are you a fan of these? I am personally. These are one of my favorite dunks to have come out in a long time. But I want to hear what y'all think down below. And again, while you're down there, hit that like button. It helps me out. So please let me know. I'm curious. Beautiful shoe, like I said. And I wanted to address that a lot of people are mistaking these, including me at first. I did not know these were a UCLA low coast dunk. So there was a UCLA, a UNLV, and those Cobalt dunks that came out, you know, last weekend. And I was just lucky enough to touch these. I got a pair of the UNLVs coming in a size 7 youth grade school pair. So yeah, I can't complain. More than happy with how that weekend turned out for me. And I'd love to hear y'all's thoughts on this pair right down below in the comments, like I said. But yeah, thank you all for watching so much. Y'all don't even know what it means to me, for real. Just wanted to open up about that real quick. You know, a lot of people say they're supporting, but they're not. So I notice who is, and I really appreciate you all in the comments, the likes, sharing my videos, you know, sharing my content. Make sure you follow in my Instagram right here, Ethan_Goud with 2 E's. But man, there will be more content there. I'm trying to really push it this year. I want to be better. Thank you all so much for watching, and y'all know what to do. Be easy.